There are many methods to curing your oven and starting the fire. A popular one that we recommend is basically taking a 15-pound bag of any standard charcoal, getting a standard charcoal lighter like the one you see here on the grill, fill the container, the canister, with charcoal to the top. Basically you add newspaper or paper towel underneath. Once the fire is started, it will start heating the coals and getting it to the proper temperature for curing your oven. As you can see, your charcoal has gone from dark black to gray, now white, getting to the proper temperature that you're going to need to cure your brick oven. Follow me. You want to pour the coals on top of your pizza peel and putting the coals into the oven. It might take you 2 or 3 different pours of the canister to get all the coal into your oven. You want to spread the coals evenly and let it burn until the fire is out. You want to repeat this process until your entire 15-pound bag of charcoal is used up. This may take more than a day. Why is curing your brick oven important? There may be residual water trapped inside the oven, and we want to make sure that before you get to higher temperatures of 700-800 degrees, all of that residual moisture is out of your oven. Thus, we would like to keep the oven, as you're curing it, at about 212 degrees to make sure all that excess moisture is out of your oven.